Hello, I'm Jason Reed and welcome to Sick with Success. What I'd like to talk about today has its roots in a blog post I did a few months ago called How to Think Better When You're Sick. Now that came about after I attended a presentation by a famous brain researcher by the name of Dr. Donald Stuss. Now I had a chance to talk to Dr. Stuss afterwards, and he said some very interesting things about chronic illness. He said that chronic pain actually will mimic the effect of aging on the brain, meaning it will actually physically shrink the frontal lobes, which are associated with memory and brain sharpness. Now, that's pretty heavy stuff for those of us who are already dealing with several other symptoms related to chronic illness. But the positive thing is there are things that we can do to keep our brain limber. And one of the most important is actually socializing, entering into social conversations, being out talking to your friends. Now, unfortunately, that's also the first thing that tends to go when we are fatigued and in pain, because we find that being with people sometimes takes too much energy. You know, sometimes we worry about going to a party and having to leave early because we're tired, or not being as friendly as we would be because we're tired. And it's very, very common for people with illness to start to withdraw. But we have to realize that that withdrawal comes at a cost, and that cost is actually up here. So my tip of the day is, as much as possible, particularly if you're off work and are planning to return to work and you don't feel quite sharp, is to socialize as much as possible, whether it's on the phone, whether it's having people over, whatever you're comfortable with. Just make sure you get into that regular habit of human interaction and conversing, because that is the thing that's going to keep your mind limber. Thanks for watching this Sick with Success video tip. If there are any questions that you have, please contact us at info@sickwithsuccess.com.